between each and other table. So this is about the model level to get the interaction. I mean, once we can build the interactions between one table to another, so that at the front end, at the report level, we can able to pull any data, I mean, from any table, any field from any table, and we can navigate it so that automatically my interaction should be appear. So this is about the left pane, which is having three different things. One is the report view, where we can build visuals. This is the data view, where we can able to see the data, what kind of data we have extracted and how we fetched. And this is the third view, modeling view, where we can do and give some relationship between one or two tables. So I'm just going to report view here. In this, I just want to explain few of the things. Like this is a, as I said, this is an reporting canvas where we can get visuals like this. See here, I just taken, this is a visualization pane. Power BI inbuilt, it is by default, it is supporting 38, almost 38 visuals. So we can able to take any visuals from here. If you want additional, I mean, other than this existing default visual, we can go here, get more visuals, and we can pull some other visuals from this get more visuals option. And by default, Power BI is supporting 200 plus library visuals, which is having. And if it is certified by Microsoft, we will get it as a blue tick mark. If it is not, we will get some, I mean, without any certification like this. So it is not certified. And few of the visuals are paid visuals also there. So for some of the visuals, we can able to pay some amount. So something, this is a zebra graph, zebra BA chart. We have to pay some amount to get activate this kind of visual. We have to pay some additional purchases required for this kind of chart. So some of the paid visuals are there. So most of the time what we will do in the sense with the existing visuals itself, which is an on, I mean, already free and it is certified from the Microsoft, those visuals itself is enough to build a right reports. So from, if you want to get additional visuals, we can go to this, get more visuals. And this is about the home ribbon, where we can get all the actions like home. Here we can able to get the data. This is all the data session where we can get the data should be like an Excel file. We can import it, or else live data sets, live data connections. We can go to the Power BI data sets. And if our database is an SQL server, we can connect to this SQL server and we can bring the tables that we are required to enter. And suppose if you want to enter any static kind of table, we can enter manually and we can just try to create it as a new table by just entering the data. And if you are already connected some of the sources, we can just click on this, we can connect any kind of data sources. And this is, as we discussed, transform data. Once we can pull the data automatically, I mean, once we can extract or import the data, we have to do some cleaning operations, right? For removal of unwanted data and all. So what we will do, we will directly connect to the transform data, which is going to open Power Query window, and there we can perform all the activities. And this is an one more, again, it's a duplicate kind of thing only. So here there is an three options which is providing more visuals. So we can get the same from this ribbon as well, home ribbon also we can get more visuals. And if you want to enter some kind of headline or else header in our report, we can enter some text boxes providing. And here also they're providing new visuals from this app. So this is about the home ribbon. And coming to this insert, it is supporting some of the actions and insights like buttons and shapes, shape maps and shapes and all. We can able to get it. If you want to go front or back, we can able to give these icons as well. And these two are also charts which is supporting artificial intelligence related charts, which is recently they have implemented last 4 or 5 months back. So key influencer and decomposition tree, which is supporting artificial intelligence. From there we can able to predict the future, and I mean how the data is, how it is going to appear by using some of the scatter plot and all. So these two belongs to the artificial intelligence charts. So remaining all, as I said, we can able to import any other images. Suppose if we want to give some logo to our report, we can import some images by just clicking on this option. And coming to this modeling, here only If you want to get some hidden insights, or else you want to give some relationship between one table to the another table, here in the modeling level we are going to use data analysis expression, as I said, which is a functional language. It is not a programming language. Try to remember, it's not a programming language, it's a functional language where we can apply some calculations, reference tables and all, I mean conditions, and these are all things we can